Hey everyone, Mike from the ParkProdigy.com again, and on this section of our Walt Disney World tutorial video, we are going to talk about the Disney Park Reservation system. Now, at this point, you might be in two places. You might have just linked your Walt Disney World tickets that you purchased from the ParkProdigy if you watched our last video, or you might just be curious, how does the Disney Park Reservation system work? So we're going to run through it with you. We're going to show you two ways that you will have to incorporate the park reservation system into planning your Walt Disney World trip. Now, the first is if you are in the process of buying your tickets and you just want to get familiar and you want to see what the availability looks like for your upcoming trip to Disney, there are two places where you can look and see those park reservations. The first is going to be if you did create a My Disney Experience account. If you follow the steps we discussed in the last video, where you come to the right where it says My Plans, you'll actually see here right above where you link your tickets, there is an option to just check out the park reservations and see what type of availability Walt Disney World has in the upcoming months. Now, as you can see, it's pretty simple. Really, you just want to look for all green, ideally, if you want as much flexibility as possible. If you are seeing some yellow, specifically on the upcoming months, outside of the next couple of weeks, right now at the time of this video, majority of the dates are 100% green, obviously outside of the 50th anniversary here in October. But realistically, this is how the park reservation system works. So we got some, not 100% availability here in November 2021. You'll be able to take a look and you could just very easily see before you purchase your Walt Disney World tickets what the availability looks like and how much flexibility you will have for your Walt Disney World trip. If you are purchasing from the ParkProdigy.com, just be mindful we actually have the exact same reservation system on our website, so you don't have to leave the website and go searching for it. Very simply, just pick the dates that you would like to purchase your tickets, and we have the park availability right down here for you, so you can kind of take a look and shop as we go along. Okay, so let's say you already purchased your Walt Disney World tickets, you already linked your tickets, and now you're ready to make your park reservation. So what we're going to do very simply is come here to the right. Same thing as before. So if you go to My Disney Experience, you're going to go to the right side where it says My Disney Experience right here, My Plans, and you're going to be brought to this screen. Click on Park Reservations, make a park reservation. So we actually have a trip coming up in September of 2021 for Halloween Horror Nights, Boo Bash, all that good stuff. So why don't we make some reservations for that? So we're going to come here to the calendar, and then you just very simply go and find the dates that you plan to be visiting Walt Disney World. So we're going to come here to September. We're going to go to Thursday, September 9th. And here you have your options for the Walt Disney World parks. Now, it's super important. If you are planning to park hop, you do not have to make a separate reservation for whichever park you plan to visit later on in the afternoon. Of course, the parks are going to be operating, based on somewhat of a capacity restriction. I don't think we've reached that capacity in a very long time. So for the most part, you'll have all the flexibility you would want to park hop. You can go check out any of the other parks. We just have to obviously state that and just be mindful of that if you are visiting during one of the busier times of year at Disney World. So for that date, we're going to say, hey, let's go to Epcot. I'm going to click Epcot. It's going to ask me review and confirm that I want to attend Epcot on September 9th, 2021. There's me, little R2D2 action, and we are going to confirm our reservation, and that is it. Congratulations. You are confirmed to visit Epcot. And it's pretty much that simple. You do have to make your park reservations for every single day, so there is an additional step of planning. And yes, I know, if planning a Walt Disney World vacation wasn't already confusing enough, now we have this additional step. But that's why we're here to help you guys. If you do have any additional questions, or if you just need some guidance, if you're unsure which parks you should be visiting, or which parks have certain type of rides, be sure to reach out to us. We'd love to help you. That is at theparkprodigy.com. We'd love to help you go through this process. We would love to help you make those park reservations. You can email me, Mike at theparkprodigy.com. You can call our office, whatever works best for you. But this is how you make your park reservation. And you'll also see these now start to pop into your plans. We can take a look. I have so many plans, I'm probably not even going to be able to find it, but that is how it goes. The other cool thing about, even if you purchase through the ParkProdigy, you will have all of the flexibility and the functionality that you would have if you purchased directly through Disney. And one of the cool things is they kind of help you check the boxes off as you go. So now you can see the only thing missing is we have to link our resort hotel right here. It's just something cool we wanted to point out. But that's pretty much it, guys. That is how you make your park reservations. In the next video, we are going to show you, if you did purchase from the ParkProdigy, exactly how you get to go right past the will call booth and now just use your phone to get into the parks with our e-tickets.